Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the Shark Apex. So this is the new Apex vacuum that we got not even 3 months ago, and it's been working pretty hard and doing its job. Unfortunately, there have been issues already, and honestly I didn't want to make this video, but I think you need to know this because we have continued to have this problem and don't know why. Yeah, we know we're a little hard on our vacuums because we use them every day for cleaning, but that's still no excuse because we've used previous Shark vacuums. They would last over a year easily without any issues, but these don't last more than 3 months for a specific part exactly, and that is the little wheels underneath. As you can see guys, that one is completely broken off, and it hasn't even been 3 months, and as you can see it's been scraping here because it's been missing. So yeah, so this side is still good, but that one's completely obliterated. So this is our head from our first vacuum that we had, and then Shark sent us another head, and this was the leftover head that was also broken here. Here's the broken wheel. It's not completely broken, but it's just got plastic here. As you can see, it also is scraping. The issue we've been having are these little wheels. I don't know what's going on, but these wheels just don't last. So we got another broken wheel here, not even 3 months of usage. This has been the most frustrating thing about this vacuum. Everything else has been great, but just these wheels have just been terrible. So the overall update is that we haven't had the original vacuum a year yet, and we went through 3 heads. Basically what happened was we got our first vacuum, and about 3 or 4 months later the wheel broke off, so they sent us this head. So we used this head for another 3-4 months, and then it broke, and then they said send the whole vacuum back, we'll send you a new one. So here's the new vacuum, and 3 months not even passed later, and here's the wheel again. And honestly, we didn't even want a new vacuum. We wanted just the head or replacement parts, honestly, but naturally they said they was not replaceable, and it's understandable why, because it's extremely hard to get to, and you need a special tool just to unscrew these little screws on the side. So to be honest and fair, Shark has been extremely nice in sending us new parts and even a new vacuum. So the customer service has been amazing, but I don't know if I don't understand why we are the only ones that are having this wheel problem. It's probably because we haul a lot here and there, and plus here in Hawaii there's a lot of people that have this tile, and as you can see, when the wheel hits in this thing, it gets a pretty hard hit. So I'm guessing these little wheels, they just tear up when they hit things, In any case, we have a problem, and honestly I'm starting to feel bad because we already got so much stuff from Shark that I'm just going to try to resolve this issue myself at this point. I know if we call them, they're probably going to send us another head or something, but we're going to try to squeeze out more life out of one of these heads, I guess. So the idea here is today is to take off the good wheel from here and put it on here. So I've done this once before, and it's been a while back, so let's do it again. And if you guys have this issue, you can know what to expect when taking it apart. So first thing, you got 2 little caps here that you want to pry out. I'm just using like this little corkscrew here. I got that one out already. So like a knife or anything will work, probably better. But so once you get it out, what you're going to need is actually a tool, a security tool. Security tool is basically a tool that has a little hole. It's like a star, but with a little hole. So most people don't have this tool. Like I didn't have it. That's too big. I think it's a T10. Yep, it is. It's a T10 security tool. So it's kind of unfortunate that Shark went this way and even put a security screw in there, which is crazy because they definitely don't want you to be opening this thing for some reason. I don't know why. I think the whole point is that once it breaks, they want you to buy another one. I mean, you have a warranty that's 7 years, but I just don't feel like they'll honor anything for that long. So maybe for the first year they'll do good, but after that, I don't have a feeling you'll have to be paying you know, for shipping and all, whatever, not else. Because I don't know if you guys know, but if you buy the vacuum practically anywhere, you still can return it within a year. Like if you bought it at Bath Body and Beyond, you can, if a year hasn't passed and you have an issue with this vacuum, you can return it. So be pretty confident about that, you know. If you got one that's like having trouble constantly, if you're having issues, just return it and get another one or get something else. I don't know if you don't like this. Alright guys, so I don't remember exactly what I did last time, but you can see it's starting to move around a little bit here. But I remember last time I had to pry it, I think, just to get this front part out. Alright guys, so I didn't get this on camera because I was trying to figure it out before I recorded, but basically what I did is I stuck the screwdriver in here and I just pried it, and apparently there's a clip right here, and you can see that the little piece of plastic just flew off because it just broke off. But I think if you raise this just a little bit and then pull it out, you know, you won't break that like I did. And technically it doesn't matter, there's a screw right here that'll combine them together, so it's not a big deal. But yeah, once you get that out, you can see I'm prying it out and the wheel completely comes out. And there goes the wheel. There it goes. And as you can see guys, here is the wheel. There's a bunch of crap around it. Yeah, as you can see guys, this wheel is starting to get damaged. There is, you know, there's already splitting going on, and it looks like it's about to lose it. It's so soft it just crumbles away. It's like a really cheap quality rubber. Like, I just can't believe it how crappy this is. And you can imagine how much weight constantly goes on here. I mean, you got the whole vacuum that has to, that these wheels sometimes have to support. It's ridiculous. I mean, look at the back wheel here. I mean, look at the front wheel. That's just ridiculous. It just doesn't make any sense. Even the Speed Duo, the little brother of this guy, has bigger wheels than this. They're like twice as big as this. So I don't know what's going on at Shark, but they definitely messed up on this. And this is the only issue we've been having, is these wheels constantly. Wheels, wheels, wheels. Alright, well, enough complaining. So as you can see guys, it just popped that out like that. Alright guys, so here is the other head that we are going to put the wheel in here. The bad wheel. So this wheel still actually looks pretty decent. It's definitely much better shape than this one, seems like. Alright guys, so I kind of feel like an idiot. I just realized something. This side does not come out, right? You have to take it apart. But this side actually does come out. You can see that there's grooves for it to come out. I didn't see that right away. I guess I should be paying attention more. So yeah, you technically don't even have to take all this off. You just pry it out. And then when you, well, let me go ahead and put the old one back in so I can show you guys. So you can see that it just kind of clips in there. Just like that. So it's back in its place. And so all you gotta do is just pry it out. Just like that. And it's out. So let's go ahead and pop the new one in, I guess. There you go. So this side pops out with the side with the belt. So thank goodness they at least did that. I did all this work for no reason. Alright guys, and that's it. It's back together. So you don't have to do none of that stuff if your wheel broke on this side. It's just this side. But in any case, I don't think you'll be doing this anyway, because where are you going to get another wheel unless you can find another wheel somewhere. So, but yeah, if you do have to take this one out, that's how you do it. You gotta take it apart. So yeah guys, hopefully this video helped you out. These things are not perfect. Yeah, they're very good vacuums, and in my opinion, they're still worth it every penny. So, you know, for household use, you should have no issues whatsoever. If you're going to be vacuuming on tile or hardwood floors a lot, which is what this thing is made for, you know, there's a potential that these wheels could be damaged. Especially tile. Hardwood floors, you should be fine. So I would still highly recommend this vacuum. It's a great vacuum. So anyways guys, just wanted to make this quick video update about the vacuum. We're actually hoping for a revised version of this vacuum. Maybe an updated version, or maybe just a brand new vacuum. That way we can stop having this wheels problem. Or if I can source those little wheels from somewhere, maybe I need to check, maybe from the older vacuums it'll fit in here. That would be awesome. And don't get scared by the video of not getting a shark vacuum. You definitely should if you still want one. It's worth it. You'll love it. It's the best vacuums, in our opinion, on the market right now. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you like these videos and you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And as always guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.